right, it's that time of the month to change our pre-filter on our Blueair here in the primary bedroom. First thing we're going to do, unplug it. It's actually really easy to do. I'm going to bring it out here just so that you guys can see a little better. Now, this isn't something that you have to do every month, but it's something that I like to do just simply because we've got 2 dogs. Got a lot of hair going on in this house. Obviously, these pre-filters get clogged up with hair, dust. Our house is very dusty as well. Now that it's unplugged, you're going to just twist the top. That comes right out. Here's the blower here. Set that off to the side. And on this, just simply because all that air from in the room is getting sucked into the canister here, all of the hair and dust is going to be on the outside, the bigger particles, right? Again, this is the pre-filter, not the main filter. So I'm going to change this inside out because I don't want to disturb and agitate all that hair and dust. You can see it kind of kick up. And then what I like to do is have a laundry basket ready. And I just put it in the laundry basket. Here's the main filter here. We just changed that out a couple months ago. This should last about a year. And I've got a spare pre-filter that's cleaned, ready to go. And we're going to go ahead and get that on. That just slides over the top. And then what you want to make sure is at the very top here, you have this elastic band that you want to make sure fits into this channel because we want to seal this whole thing. Okay. That's done. We're going to put the top back on. Goes right on top. And you have to kind of feel to where you get it seated in, and then it just twists to lock. Like that. We're going to plug this back in. Set this back where it goes. And this will kick back on. Let's go outside, take a look at the pre-filter at how much it captured within a month. And then I'm going to basically knock out as much as I can outside before we throw this into the washer because there's no need in clogging up the washer filter. Let's get this all knocked out outside. All right, we're outside now. Let's go ahead and shake this out. Turn it right side out. And of course, it's all blowing back towards me. This is just stuff we want to get out before we throw it into the washer. All the pet dander, hair, dust, allergens all just blew back on me. Okay, let's go put this in the washer. We're done.